Hey, good afternoon. It's Jeremiah, Mobility 316. Doing a quick video of our 2023 Chrysler Pacifica Touring. You can see with the key fob, I can operate both power sliding doors and the rear trunk hatch. Now, I know a lot of you are super busy. You don't have 20 minutes to watch this one-of-a-kind video that we do. Those of you in a hurry, give me 60 seconds. Let me explain to you. Got a brand new ADA compliant FR conversions. I can operate this entire conversion with just two fingers. I pinch, flip, take this to the ground using only my index finger. Super simple to do. Folks, we got free shipping in the lower 48 states. Got our flip-based seating in here to do 2 wheelchairs at a time. Upgraded Q-straight tie downs. We never have any hidden bogus fees. We got financing available. Absolute best price in the country. Brand new tires on this van. Comes with a 4-year or until the odometer hits 100,000 miles nationwide. Factory type bumper-to-bumper warranty to protect you in case the unexpected happens. Good at any shop in the country. Walmart, Pep Boys, Chrysler, Meineke, Midas, your local mechanic, you're taken care of. So for those of you that have a little bit more time, let's dig into it. Got the 800-pound weight capacity on here. One of the great advantages I also like about these rear entries is the wider ramp. You get one of the side entries, a little 30-inch narrow ramp. You're gonna have to reject the wider chairs. You're gonna have to reject revenue. That's not how you grow a business. That's not how you, how you build revenue. Also, the rear entry have about 2 or 3 more inches of ground clearance for getting over rougher terrain, including snow drifts in the wintertime if you live in that part of the country. And if this were a side entry van and there was a vehicle here, you could not get out of the vehicle because you're blocked in. That doesn't happen with the rear entry. The rear entry are about $10,000 more affordable to convert than the side entry as well. So some of the major advantages to the rear entry. But if you're looking for side entry, full-size wheelchair accessible van, ProMaster Transit, got wheelchair accessible trucks, SUVs. We have about 100 vehicles on our lot ready to go here in Wichita, Kansas with free shipping, all with a nationwide warranty. If you don't see it on our website at mobility316.com, we're probably either getting it ready or we can help find it for you. You got about 55 inches of headroom coming inside the van, then about 56 inches once you're inside. Like I mentioned, upgraded Q-straight tie downs. Our competitors are going to charge you $800 to upgrade to those. We throw them in at no charge to you. Got your headliner here is in great shape. Got your shoulder harness back here as well. You got your flip-based seating. Very simple to do on these. Makes it easy to get 2 wheelchairs at a time. Got your tie down and warranty information here. Plug-ins for your electronics. Got a real nice center console here. Dual cup holders. More plug-ins. Got your lane assist here. We got our blind spot monitors over there. A lot of great safety features on this van. Got your adaptive cruise control. So, whether it's your family or your business, these safety features help prevent accidents. Sync up your phone there. Keep your eyes on the road. And you can operate all the power doors up top here as well. So when you get everybody situated, come back out. All it takes is one finger. Check that out. Puts itself up just about. Super simple to do. A lot of our competitors, they're going to tell you things like, hey, you got to buy from us here at Mobility Works so we can service this conversion for you at any of our 100 locations. Folks, simply not true. These manual conversions are pretty much indestructible. Second of all, I promise you, Mobility Works or any of these big box stores would love to service your vehicle. It's a major source of revenue, so don't get tricked into spending $10,000 too much buying a van at one of those big box stores. It does come with a nationwide warranty on the conversion as well. Got your tinted windows, alloy wheels, like I mentioned, 4 brand new tires, all 4 brand spanking new. As I do my walk around looking for little nicks, dents, scratches in the paint, super clean van, very well taken care of. And you hear me talk all the time how we can save you $10,000 on your next wheelchair accessible vehicle. How we do it is simple. It's low overhead. I started this company 14 years ago. I had one goal in mind. I wanted to produce the highest quality wheelchair vans in the country at the absolute lowest cost. I said, how am I going to do that? I'm not going to copy United Access, Superior, Mobility Works with their dozens to hundreds of locations. That simply means they have millions of dollars in overhead every month that I don't have. That's why they have to charge so dang much for their vans. So I said, what I'm going to do, 5 simple steps to crush their prices, but still be able to service the entire country. I said, number 1, I'm going to start a dealership right in the middle of the country, the Midwest. Low cost of living means low overhead, means low prices. Wichita, Kansas. Being right in the middle of the country, I can now offer free shipping in the lower 48 states to service the entire country, all of our customers. Number 3, I'm going to do super detailed videos like you're watching right now, so you know the full condition of the vehicle, inside and out, up and down, on the bottom, the roof, free Carfax report. I know the measurements, how everything works. You're fully educated before you buy. Number 4, I'm going to make sure every single one of our vehicles comes with a minimum 1-year nationwide warranty. This particular van, 4 years warranty until the odometer hits 100,000 miles, so you're fully protected anywhere in the country. Number 5, I'm not going to employ a sales staff. Sales staff means more overhead, means higher prices. I let our reputation, our videos, our one-of-a-kind videos, and our pictures do all the selling, again, saving you money. So this is how we crush their prices, but can service you anywhere in the lower 48, and we can even ship to Alaska and Hawaii. Also, no matter who you buy from, get you a video of the VIN number right there. Scammers on Facebook, they won't show you this. Ask for this. Don't be afraid to ask for somebody's ID as well. If you tell them that, get the picture of their ID, scammers will not provide that for you, so make sure you get that, make sure you don't get scammed. One thing we also do with that VIN number, run a Carfax on every single one of our vehicles before we purchase it. I highly recommend you do the same. Not only that, I'm the only dealer in the entire country who goes over the Carfax with you, shows you why I see what I saw in this vehicle, why I believe in it, and why you can believe in it too, and why I chose to purchase it with my own money. This was pretty simple, one owner, last owned as a rental vehicle. A lot of people say stay away from rentals. I would agree. If it's a sports car, I don't think too many people go rent out a Chrysler or a Pacifica to take it to the races. It simply means highway miles. That's a good thing. You can see this entire Carfax on our website at no charge to you. Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title, and they show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is one owner, clean title. You can see no accidents or damage here. Clean title. That's the kind of Carfax we're looking for. Never been structural damage, airbags never deployed, odometer's accurate. It does show one open recall. You can take that to any Chrysler dealership in the entire country. They'll fix that, they'll address that at no charge for you. And also, no matter who you buy from, it's a good idea to get online and see what people are saying about them. Find us on eBay, 1,890 transactions. Every single one of those transactions has left us positive feedback, 100%. I think that reputation speaks for itself. And hey, if you're like me, I check reviews to go to a $10 cheeseburger. I'm like you, I work hard for my money. I want the best bang for my buck. If we're gonna check out reviews for $10 cheeseburgers, probably a pretty good idea if you're gonna be shopping for $50,000 mobility vans. You spend a few minutes checking out some reviews and ratings. You know, I hear the horror stories all the time. These consumers tell me how they bought from a private seller or Facebook marketplace. The two most dangerous places in the world to buy a vehicle. Number one, you don't know if they jumped that title. If you don't know what a jump title is, you better figure it out real quick. Number two, you don't have the thousands of reviews that I'm showing you right here of people saying I'm shooting them straight. And finally, most importantly, you don't have any protection from the state. You buy from me. If I scam you, if I don't provide the vehicle, if I don't provide the title, you can call the Kansas Department of Revenue, dealer licensing. They will come put me in jail. They will make sure that you get your money's worth, or I will be going to prison. If you buy from a private seller or Facebook marketplace, guess what you get to do? On top of the money you've already been scammed, you now get to hire a lawyer at $300 or $400 an hour to chase this person around the country, around the world to try and get some of your money back. Yeah, good luck with that. So, you know, whether it's a low-end dealer, a dealer with 1 and 2 and 3 star reviews, maybe even low 4s, nothing close to our 4.8 out of 5 here, or these consumers buy from a private seller or Facebook marketplace. I hear the stories, you know, they end up with the vehicle has a salvage title they weren't told about, flood damage they weren't notified of, you know, major mechanical issues, engine, transmission, electrical, a frame rusted out so bad it won't pass inspection and it's unsafe to drive. So hey, if you want to roll the dice on a huge purchase like this, boy, good luck. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service, from the mobility dealer that has the most 5-star Google reviews of any single mobility dealer in the entire country, with free shipping, free Carfax. Every vehicle comes with a minimum 1-year nationwide warranty and the best prices in the country. Reach out to us. We're happy to help. All right, back to the van. Has that remote start. Great feature to have. Even in the summertime, you can come out to a nice air-conditioned van. Obviously, essential during the winter time. Come out, nice heated-up van, heated seats, heated steering wheel, ready to go. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors inside this van. Also, one thing I like about the rentals, they do not allow smoking in the vans. It does have the one key. If you want us to get additional keys made on your dime very affordably, we can definitely do so. I like the push button start. Put your foot on the brake, push the start button. You don't have to dig the key out of your purse or anything like that. Your pocket, you're ready to go. 57,856 miles. No check engine lights on. No airbag, no ABS lights. Got a full tank of gas even. Got a huge backup camera there. Nice touchscreen as well. That radio works just fine. You got your heated seats, heated steering wheel there, ready to go. If you ever want to use these doors manually, hit that button right there. They will open and shut, you know, quickly and manually. If you're going to use this van commercially, that's an option. And showing you the layout here for those of you that not real familiar with these vans. Easily 2 rooms for wheelchairs in here. And then on this particular model, it says slide, so we can slide. And it's got the rotation. So red, we'll flip it down, slide, we'll telescope it in and out. So I'm gonna get these seats put down so you can see what it looks like here. All right, here's the layout when the seats are down. Got your armrest, these seats will recline. Nice comfortable captain's chairs here. Got your rear air controls over there as well. And I've got 4 mechanics that work for me full time. We check all the power mirrors and windows. I'm gonna show you those moving right now. There's our blind spot monitor, that little triangle right there that'll illuminate little yellow, orange when we're out on the highway when someone's in my blind spot. We check all the power locks, heat, air, cruise, belts, hoses, suspension, steering, brakes, go through a 120-point inspection. Of course, we check the tires because we put 4 brand new tires on this van, replace fluids as necessary. And people often, they wonder why we're so thorough. There's many reasons. 2 of the main reasons are, when this vehicle shows up to your place with our free shipping, I want you to say that's exactly the vehicle Jeremiah represented in the pictures and videos. Number 2, I'm applying for a job right now. I take that very serious. I'm applying to be your mobility dealer. I want you to go take a look at all these lazy ads out there. 4 or 5 lazy pictures, too cheap to do a Carfax, too lazy to get out here and do a video. Yeah, you put my resume up next to theirs. You let me know who you want to entrust your hard-earned money with on buying a large purchase like this. Underneath the hood, you can see the fluids have been checked and topped off. Engine purrs like a kitten. No signs of any leaks or damage. Underneath the vehicle, much of the same. Very clean. No signs of any crumpled up metal from an accident. No signs of any water damage. No oil leaks, nothing like that. And that's the biggest mistake consumers make when they purchase vehicles. They assume things. They say, oh, it's a 2023. It's got low miles on it. It must be in good condition. It's never been a bad accident or a flood. It's mechanically sound. That is the absolute most dangerous assumption you can make. And let me give you an example. I frequently see brand new vehicles at auction that have flood damage. You know what happens? These vehicles take on a flood. These dealers rush them over to auction, dump them off to make them someone else's problem. The point in telling you this, that kind of stuff can happen with a brand new vehicle. You better know what you're getting if you're purchasing a used vehicle. So what I want you to do, I don't care if it's Facebook Marketplace, I don't care if it's another dealer, I don't care if it's a private seller, I want you to ask yourself, do they show you thousands of reviews online so you know you're dealing with someone honest, reputable, and fair? Do they show you a free Carfax so you know you're buying a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents or damage, never been in a flood? They get on their hands and knees and even bother snapping a couple pictures, much less a super detailed video of the undercarriage so you can see exactly what you're getting underneath there. Do they throw in a complimentary 4-year nationwide warranty? Of course they don't. How about the roof? Often I get up on a roof at auction and I say, oh my gosh, it's been crushed with hail damage. No, thank you. But a lot of times the sellers don't fix the roof because most people don't get up there and look at the roof. You know who does? Jeremiah with Mobility 316, that's who, and you better do the same. That roof can get $10,000 or $15,000 to replace real quick. So when it comes to price, reputation, how thorough they are, showing the exact vehicles you're getting, all with a complimentary 4-year nationwide warranty, please put our resume up next to anybody in the country. And you tell me what happens if you end up buying a vehicle you can't get a title for because you're dealing with a shady individual. What happens to the vehicle or the title has a VIN number issue and you can't get it inspected? Frame damage from an accident or a flood, it won't pass inspection. The list goes on and on. Bottom line is, if that happens to you, you spend a whole lot of money on a vehicle you can't even drive. So to avoid these issues and so many more, do 3 things before you buy from anybody. First of all, demand a detailed video like this. I'm not talking some lazy 30-second walk-around. Look, this is a major purchase. If they won't get out here and put their heart and soul into a 15-20-minute video, what are they hiding from you? I can promise you, this is way too big of an investment to find out. Number 2, show me the Carfax. Demand a Carfax report. Do not settle for a cheap knockoff. Demand a Carfax. And, if someone's going to sit there and tell you, hey, I want you to buy this van for me for $50,000, but they won't spend $45 measly dollars on a Carfax, what are they hiding from you, A? And then B, if the vehicle needed $800 in new tires, do you think they put them on there? Of course they didn't. They won't even spend $45 on a Carfax. Demand a Carfax. And finally, number 3, demand a warranty. Are you really buying vehicles this magnitude as is, or some lame 30 or 90-day powertrain warranty? Folks, that's how you get scammed. That's how you buy a lemon. Do not risk that. We have, like I said, complimentary nationwide 4 years until the odometer hits 100,000 miles. Also, this vehicle's under the Chrysler drivetrain warranty as well until 60,000 miles. So not many miles left, but a double covered on the drivetrain at the moment. But like I said, nationwide, shop of your choice. Walmart, Pep Boys, Midas, Meineke, your local Chrysler dealer, your local mechanic, anywhere in the country, no deductible, best warranty in the entire country. In case the unexpected happens, we got your back. We make sure you're taken care of. We're the only dealer in the entire country that does this. Do not risk buying as is. Demand a warranty. All right, final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, if you come and drive this Pacifica home, we've done our due diligence, pops up to 70 miles an hour, no problems. Got the cruise control set, cruise works good. Got the adaptive cruise control, keeping you safe, following distance from the vehicles in front of me. Got our blind spot monitors over here, like I said, lane departure, lane assist as well. Tons of great safety features. The last thing that you want is, or can afford, is an accident, whether it's family or business. These great safety features, they definitely help with that. And also keep in mind, runs very nice down the highway, by the way. Steering wheel's nice and straight, no unusual vibration or noise. Runs and drives like a brand new van. I'm very impressed with it. I know you will be as well. And keep in mind, if you ever do want to come visit us, we do welcome that. We will 100% require an appointment, 365 days a year. Remember, we do not employ a sales staff here. Help us keep overhead low and prices even lower. I need you to take 30 to 60 seconds of your life. Call us, text us, let us know which vehicle or vehicles you'd like to look at. We'll be organized, prepared, and sit you down for a consultation with a mobility professional, not a used car salesman. Also, speaking of used car salesmen, we don't have any hidden fees. Some of these dealers, they put a real nice price online with that hidden in the fine print, the $500 administrative fee, document fee, tag fee, freight, you name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping, free Carfax reports, free upgraded tie downs, and a complimentary 4-year nationwide warranty to protect you and your investment. So by the time you add up all their hidden fees, all their bogus fees, a cost of a warranty, tie down, shipping, Carfax, that real nice price you saw online jumped from about $50,000 to about $60,000. No, I'm not exaggerating with you. Quit falling for all these used car salesman games and gimmicks. Be sure to ask about this before you buy, or sit back, relax, let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. Gave the van a nice hard brake coming down the ramp there. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. All exactly what we're looking for. And if you'd like to give us a call or text, now text is by far the fastest way to get in touch with us. That way, anyone on our staff can see that text come through, respond to you as soon as possible. Call or text 316-262-FANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. I'm the owner. That's a direct line to reach out to call or text me. Now, I challenge you. I want you to ask our competitors if they're dedicated enough to customer service to get you a direct line to call or text the owner of the company. But you have to call in and end up in somebody's voicemail, never get a call back, or maybe you do get that live person. It's that super aggressive, pushy, used car salesman who now has your number, gonna call you, text you, blow you up all day, every day, try and pressure you into making a sale. So if you're like me, sick of being treated like just a number of all these companies out there with horrible customer service, and you want to avoid that used car salesman like the plague, get in touch with us. I promise you, we're gonna sell this Pacifica, whether you purchase it or not. Absolutely zero pressure sales here. And yes, we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address. If computers aren't your thing, get in touch with us. We're more than happy to take an application over the phone. And yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether standard or a mobility vehicle. Get in touch with us. I can explain how that works. And reminder, if you ever want to come see us, we welcome that. Just be sure that you make that appointment. And if you made it to the end of our video, thanks for hanging in there. I know it's a long video, but I know this is a major purchase. I'm trying to be as thorough as I possibly can. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with one-of-a-kind detailed videos just like this, free shipping, free Carfax reports, never any hidden bogus dealer's fees, dozens of pictures of every single vehicle, all accompanied by a minimum 1-year nationwide warranty. This one is the 4-year nationwide warranty. And check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking us out at Mobility316, where mobility is affordable. Give us that call or text today. We really appreciate you checking us out, giving us a chance to earn your business. And I hope you have yourself a wonderful day.